Perhaps we should use some pink letters on the tires there. You think crayons would work on this? What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be painting the Nintendo letters on these RC tires. As you can see, I have her on the lift and I stripped her of all the tires. They're down here and they're going to be going on this guy right here. So stay tuned as we dress up these tires a little bit with some white paint and see what they look like from our parts RC to our running RC. I'm going to take her off the lift, put her on the lift, get these tires painted up. We got all the tools we need. Okay, so we got her on the lift and we're just going to pretend this guy's on blocks over here, and we're going to start with this tire here. I am not a professional tire painter. Remember, we're no pros here. We just send it, man. So that is about what it's going to look like. And again, I'm going to do the top and the bottom, and this guy will go on there like so. So I'm going to get these painted up and let them dry, and stay tuned for the next video when we take these tires off, put these tires on, and then we will take it for a spin and see how she looks with the new tires and the new tread pattern, and take her back to the trail and see if the tire pattern makes any better difference compared to the last time we took her out on the trail. All right, so if you're new around here, please subscribe. I appreciate the views, I really do, but I need you to hit that thumbs up. I need you guys to please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, because that lets YouTube know that, hey, this channel is worth checking out. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Tell me what color you would have chose, if you would have did the orange or the white or something different. And if you have a better technique than what this no pro is doing here. But it seems to be working for me thus far, and I'm just gonna stick with it. So I'm going to get these painted up, and till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.